Guys, this is KECILER Luxury Skincare. Today we'll be making effective toilet wash. Okay, you can use in your house, you can still make it for commercial use. Okay, we want to appreciate all our subscribers. Thank you very much. We appreciate you guys. Please, if you're coming across this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, as you subscribe, please share and give us a thumbs up. Okay, don't also forget to put on your notification bell so that you will see or you get notified anytime we download, anytime we put up a video, guys. Okay, now this is our materials we're going to be using for this production. Okay, we are using an SLS. This is an SLS. We are using an SLS. We are using our soda ash. We are using a soda ash. We are using caustic soda. Okay, we are using sodium sulfate, and we are using HCl and our water. We are going to make 6 liters of toilet wash. That's what we are making today. So guys, follow this video to the end because you're going to be seeing the measurements we are going to be using to produce this toilet wash. We are still going to use our color. Okay, you can use any color of your choice, but I'll be using a blue color, so use any color of your choice to color your toilet wash. I'm going to be mixing our SLS. Okay, SLS, which I always say, they have 2 types. We have the one in powder form, we have the one like the grain of rice. Okay, you can see it. So we have to mix it. This is 600 gram of SLS. Please always pour your chemical into water. Don't pour water into your chemical to avoid explosion. So you always pour the chemical into water. Okay, it will take a few minutes for it to melt, so we set it aside. This is our sodium sulfate. We are using 300 grams. Continue turning it. We'll set it aside to dissolve. So our soda ash. Okay. Soda ash, we are using 100 grams. caustic soda, and we are using 100 grams of caustic. All these things are taking just few minutes to dissolve. Guys, this is our SLS. It has melted. This is our sodium sulfate has melted too. This is the soda ash. Our soda ash has melted, and this is our caustic. So you can see how transparent they are. So when you allow it for some few minutes, when it melts, totally become transparent like this. So now we are going to be mixing all of them together. Okay, so this is the bowl I'm using. I have to use a bigger bowl. Sodium sulfate in it. I've mixed everyone except the KECILER. Okay, and when you mix it, you must make sure it looks somehow creamy. So by tomorrow, which will make it 34 hours, it will be transparent. Okay, so I'll be putting the KECILER. The KECILER I'm going to use